Mr. McCarthy here. For this very short video, I'm going to show you how I would like you to search for your favorite album covers, things to look out for, and selections to be made. All right, so as you can see, I am at Google and I have already searched for one of my favorite albums, which is John Coltrane's Blue Train. And as you can see, there are a whole number of selections that I can make. Some of these selections are based on where the images or albums to be sold or to be streamed are located. The other thing I want to point out is that some album covers look different than what seems to be the main image. And when I think of Blue Train, this is the image I always think of because, well, the album's been with me for a long time, and this doesn't look like the original album cover, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select this from Amazon and see what happens. Here is Big Image, all right? Now, depending on what site you go to, you may be able to download link file as. And if I do, I'm going to get, and it shows you right here, a 1043 by 1050 large size image. I do want to let you know in advance that you are going to produce a single image that should be 300 by 300. So you can see these dimensions are much larger than that. So what I might consider doing is doing a screenshot. Now you guys know that a screenshot is executed with Command-Shift-4. I'll do that. It's Command-Shift-4, and then I can go ahead and draw a box over what I want to keep. Okay. One of the things I want to point out to you right now, though, is that what I'm selecting would be a mistake. And the reason this would be a mistake is because Google has placed this X, it's kind of like a toolbar, and then these forward, backward symbols, and then right here the size of the image. They're all visible. And these obviously weren't on the original album cover, and I do not want them to be on my image. I want to preserve the original image as best as I can. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go click on Amazon Music. And I'm showing you this because a lot of your album covers are going to be available on Amazon Music. Okay, here's an image. Now I can do this, save image to downloads, or I can do a screenshot. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and save an image to downloads. I can now go to downloads. Here's the image, 522 by 526. Larger than 300 by 300, definitely going to be workable. I'm going to keep it. All right. One of the things I'm going to ask you to do, and let's do this right now. I'm going to ask you to, on your desktop, create a folder called Album Covers. And in that folder, this is where you're going to collect your albums, your album covers. And this is where you're going to produce your final album cover compilation montage. Okay? So that's the way that I would like you to do it. Again, you can screenshot it with a Command-Shift-4 or right-click. If you have this opportunity, save image to downloads or save image as. If you do save image to as, you get a funky name here, but it's going to go into the right place. At least I think it will. Let's try that out. And there's the funky name. It is same size as before, 522 by 526, okay? So that's what I would encourage you to do. Do these downloads, right-click download. If for some reason the website that you're at does not provide that, doesn't offer you that option, then go ahead, Command-Shift-4 to download, okay? That is how I would like you to select, copy, and save your selected album covers. Alrighty, Mr. McCarthy signing off.